In this video I'm going to show you how you replace the line on a Stihl Autocut 46.2. So this is my pretty beaten up and well used Stihl FS450. The FS450 is classed as a clearing saw rather than a brush cutter. Extremely powerful. You see this one's a bit of an old brute, and one of my previous videos will talk about how I managed to get this dirt cheap, and it's still running several years later. What I'm just going to run through today is replacing the line once the line's run out. Replacing the cutting line. So the easiest way now is just flip it upside down and rest it on its handles. As you can see, this one's the Autocut, so it's a bump line feed. So bump that on the floor and the line feeds out. The way you load this up, undo the two tabs, one on each side, pop the white lid off. Lift this spring loaded out, get yourself some more line. I'd like to get 2 arm lengths of the cutting line, and the way you feed this in, there are holes in there. Feed one into one side, feed the other and then that way, and then if you look on the back, it actually says line, and it feeds round. As you're looking at that, it feeds round clockwise as you're looking that way. So you take your line and feed it around the reels. Try and keep it tight. That assists and allows the line to come off a little bit easier. So 2 arm lengths on this particular auto feed. Fills these up pretty much to the top. And a little bit uneven. So then in here, the line comes out of those where they've got a metal ferrule. Put the auto feed back in, drop it in and twist it, and it won't come out. One in one side, one in the other. When it's as long as that, the easiest way is to just give it a trim before you actually start it up. And then the head goes back on, clicks back in, and what happens when that's spinning, and you press down, it allows the line to come out a little bit more. Like that, it won't come out. Press down, and another little bit of line feeds out. And as it's spinning, it actually, if it gets too long, it actually cuts itself on this cutting edge here. Well, that's it. It's as simple as that. And that is now ready to go.